Welcome back. Now news from sports. Executive Director of Sports Authority of Goa, M Prabhudesai, believes Lusofonia Games will be held next year. Goa is scheduled to host the Lusofonia Games in 2013 and the international event is on track. However, the national games are apparently going to be postponed. Hence, the government's first task will be to host the games of former Portuguese colonies on schedule next year. Prabhudesai told Prudent that a delegation representing the Lusofonia Games will arrive in Goa later this month to take stock of the situation.
SAG and GOA has made a joint kind of assessment for submission to the ECOLOG committee, which will meet on 31st. So we are with the new government in place, we are quite hopeful. We have had preliminary discussions with the Honorable CM, and he is quite optimistic that we'll be able to complete the infrastructure in time. We'll be able to hold good games.
The Lusofonia Games, would it be possible then 2013, because he's saying national games could be held in 2015 by reviewing the entire thing and doing it in a nicer way. So 2013, the same infrastructure will have to be used for national games, and we're just looking at maybe 1.5 years time. Are you positive of the infrastructure getting ready in time?
Yes, about 3-4 stadiums which will be made for national games, or rather made for Lusofonia Games, would be, as you have said, utilized for the national games. So 1.5 years is a good time nowadays, with the latest machinery in place and the technical know-how. The engineers, the architects nowadays are able to complete this kind of projects. They are not major stadiums. Okay. There are 1 or 2 indoor stadiums and renovation of Nehru Stadium. So things are possible.
Okay. And volleyball, I think, would be one of the sports at the Lusofonia Games, which was going to be acquired in Shiroda, the land, with the then
So now we say that it could be possibly held at Goa University, wherein the Goa University has agreed to part with some land for raising the basketball stadium, indoor stadium. So it could be basketball come volleyball stadium.
Okay. So
for the Lusofonia Games.
Okay. And what about the Shiroda idea of?
Shiroda, at the moment, we have shelved that idea.
Okay.
So.
But you are confident of the Lusofonia games happening 2013 November?
Yeah, the way things are happening and the way the government has assured full support, things are possible, quite possible.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Panji.
Sporting Club de Goa got the better of Tempo Juniors to win the TASA Goa Under-20 football tournament. The final was decided on the tiebreaker, where the Flaming Orange came out on top by 4 goals to 2. Both teams had scored 1 goal each in regulation time. The match was played at Kalangut on Thursday evening. Speaking after the match, Sporting President Peter Vaz praised the coaches and players. Peter was happy to hear that the club was working like a professional academy by promoting youth.
Tiebreaker, no problem. The boys gave their best. Happy with the performance. Then it's anybody's game. You have to look ahead for the future.
Age groups, I mean, we have got 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay. We have got dedicated coaches. I mean, boys also dedicated with their effort. You know. So both are, I mean, coaches Pascual and Severin. Okay, credit goes to them. Also our goalkeeping coach Sabi. So also, I mean, from the management side, we have always been encouraging the youth. Okay, like I would like our club to be known as a, professional academy as such. Like most of the boys know, all the junior boys. Whoever performs well, they automatically get a chance in the senior team. We, give first preference to our junior boys and promote them to our senior team. So that gives them the incentive to play harder.
We won, thanks to God, we won today because of our team and our support from manager, president, and especially thanks to our coach because they helped us very much. And a big thanks to my colleagues who played with me, and they worked very hard for the victory.
Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev were sentenced to death in the Lahore conspiracy case and ordered to be hanged on 24th March 1931. They were hanged on 23rd March 1931 at 7:30 p.m. in Lahore jail. Execution was supervised by the Honorary Magistrate of Kasur, Nawab Muhammad Ahmad Khan Kasuri, who also signed their death warrants as their original warrants had expired. This year is the 81st death anniversary of the trio who sacrificed their lives for freedom of India. Goans also paid tribute to the legendary freedom fighters.
मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला मेरा रंग दे ओ मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला ओए रंग दे बसंती चोला माए रंग दे बसंती चोला जिस चोले
आमी स्टेट एक्सएनसीसी कैडेट असोसिएशन वर्सांवर तांची याद करता कितें ना कितें आमी करतात आनी तांची लोकांक आफुतांनी याद करता अशीच आतां आमकां दिसलें की हेय वर्सा तशीच आमी ताची एक यादीक वाती हांगा लावच्यो अशें म्हणून
आज उसी को पहन के निकला आज उसी को पहन के निकला हम मस्तों का टोला मेरा रंग दे बसंती
पण म्हाका दिसता तो मोठ्या प्रमाणावर जावपाची गरज आहा आमच्या सगळ्या भुरग्यांक ही गजाली ज्ञान आसूंक जाय भगत सिंग म्हणजे कोण ताणें कितें केलें देशा खातीर
राजगुरु सुखदेव
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.